YouTube poop.
It was a frosty Christmas Eve on the magical island of Soos. A jolly little lamb chuffed along through the falling snow. He peeped his shiny whistle and he sang a merry song. His bright lamp shining to guide him all the way home. And he sang, my whistle blows, what will Santa bring me?
Nothing!
In Santa I believe. Winter time is for everyone. Every boy and girl will have so much.
Happy birthday!
Families gather, friends to greet. We'll listen to carolers in the street. Gingerbread houses and candy canes. Decorations sparkle. Playing and sledding in the snow. And Thomas couldn't wait to be home, so he sang, my whistle blows, what will Santa bring me?
Nothing!
It's Christmas Eve, in Santa I believe. But then the engine hit a giant stone. It caused a bump, his lamp went out. Now we couldn't see where to go. He stared at the stars for a miracle when a shining light twinkled. Was it a shooting star? He followed that star and he was on his way. But just as his sleepy eyes closed for bed, he heard a strange sound coming from the roof of his shed. And a jolly laugh that went, ho, ho. And he whispered, my whistle blows, what will Santa bring me?
Nothing!
In Santa I believe. Then in the morning light of Soos, Thomas found a gift right by his door.